Hello guys, my name is Fazal Hazalan and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to load the image in Python using opencv library, and also display the image, and also resize and save the resized image as an image in the same directory. So I have got a beautiful image, galaxy image, so I will play around with this. And the first thing is you should do is import cv2 or import the opencv2 project. So before importing this, making sure you have already downloaded opencv. If you didn't, you can download it from pip using this command opencv python. So I've already downloaded that and don't need to download it again. So let's go and import the cv2, and after this we need to load the image. And how can we do that? We need to specify variable, and we have the method called imread, which expect two parameters. The first one is your file name or the picture name, and the second one is how do you want to read image, RBG or grayscale, main type. So I will type my photo name, and after that we have 0 and 1 and 0. So one is for RBG or type of colors, mean or red, blue and green bands, and also we have 0 for the grayscale type. So I will stick with grayscale. And for displaying the image, so we have a method called imshow, which expect two parameters. The first one is just a window title, which can be anything, and the second one is the object, this one, image object. So after that we need to specify the weight k. And here we can pass 0 or put a time, a specific time, anything you want. This means this implies milliseconds, which can be 2 seconds. I think 2 seconds, yeah. And after that we need to specify the destroy all windows. It means whenever the users wait for 2 seconds, what will happen? It will destroy all windows, or user press some buttons, it will destroy all the windows. So let's see 2000 seconds, and let's see the changes. Run our application. So you can see the image is displayed just for 2 seconds, wait for 2 seconds, and after that closed automatically. So you can put 0 here and see. Let's see, run it. Now it won't close the window until we press some buttons. So the image is so tall, that's why it's not fit to the screen, and I think it needs to be resized. So when I press the button, it will close. So how to resize? Let's go and resize the image. Resized. So we have a method called resize, which will expect two parameters. The first one is image object, and the second one is a tuple, which show the weight and height of the image. For example, I can give it 100, 1000 and 500, and also after that show me the resize image as a new image in the window. So let's run it and see the changes. So right, you can see now it is resized, but the weight is too high, and that's why it show like this. So let's go and change the 1000 to 500, and let's go rent again now. I that's look pretty well. So good. This is called like the weight, and this is called height, second parameter. So after this we need to just save the resize image as a new image. So we have the method called imWrite or image write. So it expects two parameters. The first one is the file name, the new name for your file. So it can be new galaxy, for example, .gpg. Don't forget the extension, and also the object, which is resized image. We are saving the resized image as a new image. We can also specify this, but the resize will be the grid, because we just crop the image or resize the image, and we will save that. So let's run it. See the changes. So this is the resized image here. When I close this, it will add the new file here. You can look, we have the new file here as a new galaxy.jpg. So that was the things I want to teach you in this lecture.